Hi folks, in this video we are going to talk about realism, or the realistic theater. But in order for us to get to realism, we actually have to talk about the Royal Theatre and how it fell. So the fall of the Royal Theatre actually began as a revolt against the intentional artifice of the neoclassic form. So critics of neoclassicism said that theater should hold up a mirror to nature. The critics, they didn't want theater to be more perfect than nature. They didn't want theater to only show the pretty side of what was going on in the world around them. They didn't want theater to have a stronger structure than the reality of the world around them. The critics of neoclassicism wanted reality to be represented as it was in real life on the stage. So the rebellion against the contrived manners and elitist snobbery started this shift. And with this, European theater shifted towards a democratic and anti-royalist style. Now, there were romantic beginnings, because we don't go directly from the Royal Theatre to realism. We go from the Royal Theatre to Romanticism, and a couple more isms, to realism. So Romanticism, we're looking at sentimental comedies and we're looking at pathetic tragedies. Both of these types of plays have admirable characters and they have noble sentiments. There are some landmarks. So in England, some of the plays that we can look at that really represent this are Richard Steele's The Conscious Lovers and Joseph Addison's Cato. And some landmarks in France, you can see this if you look at the essays of Voltaire and the essays of Diderot. Now, Romanticism spread through European art at the end of the 18th century, and it was fully accepted in the first half of the 19th century. And what's really cool about this is the Romantic trend wasn't just in theater. This is a shift that happened in all of the arts. But it was totally present in theater as well. And that's what makes it cool. Now, when we're specifically looking at Romanticism in theater, we are looking at florid attempts to reactivate passion, which the Romanticists said had been absent since the time of Shakespeare. So really the entire Royal Theatre, the Romanticists are saying the passion is gone. So if you'd like to see an example of a romantic play, I'd like you to watch the video below. It's a video of Cyrano de Bergerac. Let me know what you think.